Chuck is the third studio album by Canadian rock band Sum 41. The album was released on October 12, 2004. It is the band's last album to feature guitarist Dave Baksh as he left Sum 41 on May 11, 2006, to pursue his career with his own band Brown Brigade. This is the final album to feature the full classic lineup. Baksh returned in 2015, but Frank Zummo replaced Jocz that same year. Chuck peaked at number 2 on the Canadian Albums Chart and number 10 on the US Billboard 200, making it the band's highest charting album until it would be surpassed by Underclass Hero in 2007. The album's title is named after a volunteer UN peacekeeper named Chuck Pelletier who was in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, where Sum 41 was filming a documentary for War Child Canada. Fighting broke out during production, and Pelletier helped the band evacuate their hotel during the fighting, as he was staying at the same hotel. The album's lyrical content has been described as darker and more mature than the band's previous work. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.